How we doing, guys? All right, so just want to let everybody know what I've been working on lately. So all this whole past season, heard quite a few guys who are, stick climbers by nature, going up. So when you set your sticks as you're going up and you're using your lanyard and you're going up in height, setting your next stick and everything. Quite a few guys had some accidents this year, and a couple guys had reached out to me, talked to me about their accident and stuff, and it kind of got my wheels turning. And I know not everybody is a rope guy like myself, but I kept thinking, like, I got to come up with something. I got to come up with a way for a lot of you stick climbers, climbing tree stand guys, that, some kind of system that's put out there so that you guys can always remain safe. You can always have a safe line to the ground in case of an equipment failure, in case you slip off of a step, slip off your platform even, just something that can be in place to keep you guys safe at all times. So I started doing a little digging and doing some research and everything, and so basically this is what I had come up with. So this is an F4 device, and this device was specifically designed for firemen, to keep firemen safe. So if they were in a burning building, if they're several stories above the ground, and come to realize that there's no way to get out, that they're going to have, the only way of egress is out a window, maybe a ladder, hook and ladder or whatever, they're out of reach or whatever. So now what they do is they would carry a system with them that would comprise of probably about 300 feet of this rope. Not so much this rope. I do have a 7.5 FireTech, 7.5 millimeter FireTech 2 that was actually designed with this F4. This, as you all know, is 8 millimeter Oplux, which also works well in the specs of this device. And that's what I'm showing today. I will also show with the FireTech 2. But anyway, getting back to the firemen, that was their safe way to egress out of a building. So that's with this tiny little device. This is the size of a pocket knife. This thing weighs 7 ounces. It's amazing, okay? 13.5 kilonewtons, the rated strength on it. As you know, Oplux 8 millimeter is just over 5,000 pounds. And so this is kind of what I came up with, guys. I mean, this system, as soon as you can go hands-free on this system, so as soon as you weight it, you see how the arm comes out, it locks the system right up. So you actually squeeze this to come down, and then once you let go, it locks right back up again. So as far as using this in a stick climbing situation, I would say that, it's on my ropes. All my ropes have a 5-inch stitched eye in the end of them. All right, so you would girth hitch your tree. So that would be the first thing you would do. You would come up to your tree, you would girth hitch it, get it up as high as you can, set your first stick. All right, climb up. Now, this is always to be used with your lineman's belt. This isn't a tool that should be put in place of a lineman's belt. It should always be used in conjunction with your lineman's belt. Like I said, this is no way, shape, or form do I want you to eliminate this in your system, right? Because this keeps you locked in and also hands-free, right where right where you need everything to be. So as you're climbing, and don't forget, I'm just doing a little demonstration here, so this wouldn't be all the way at the top of the tree. I'm just saving a little time here, so I had already climbed up and I put this up as high as I could go with 2 sticks with aiders. But of course, like I said, you would have that up here first, get your stick on, climb up, and of course, when you come back from a hunt, if you decide to leave your sticks in, that's the nice thing with this too, is that you can just advance yourself up on this as well. And as you guys know, I am not a stick climber. I am a rope guy. But like I said, I just seen the necessity for this system because too many guys have been getting hurt as of late, and I'm trying to combat that with this system. That's my sole purpose here. So when I get this whole system together and I get it out, put it out for sale in a kit. Now I know a lot of you guys don't saddle hunt, so what I'm also going to do is I'm working with another company, and we're going to actually, this company's going to produce a bridge, an add-on bridge that you can put on your harness of choice that you guys use for when you saddle or for when you stick or stand, climb, whatever. All right, so that'll also that'll just be another option that'll either be included in the kit or you know, like I said, or as an accessory to the kit. We haven't worked out the details on that yet, but like I said, it's not to exclude anybody. This is a system for everybody, any kind of hunter. If you're going to leave the ground and hunt from an elevated position, this is a lifeline that you should always put, you know, you should always have with you for that, you know, for that particular reason. So, it's off here. So that's all this is. Squeeze the device and you come down. Anytime you let it go, that's the beauty of it. You can go hands-free on this system. So where you cut the end of your hunt, come down, take your stick off, come down to your next stick. That's the beauty. If you fall, if you slip off, you don't go to the ground. All right. Okay. So this tiny little gadget here, this is the F4 device. This weighs 7 ounces. So this combined with 30 feet of Oplux, the whole system works out to 1 pound 3 ounces, 19 ounces. So it's lightweight, compact. This whole thing rolled up, go right into like a cargo pants pocket. It'll definitely go into a bag off your MOLLE. I'm also going to be designing a bag for it as well, so it will come with a bag. More than likely have a drop out on the bottom as well too, so when you're ready to come down at the end of the night, you just would pull the string on the bottom of the bag, the 30 feet would deploy out, and then you would just come right down. The only other thing that of course we would need with something like this, with this system, is another 30 feet of Dyneema line to pull that out at the end of the hunt. But you know, just something, I just wanted to get it out there with you guys, kind of show it to you. This will be available on my website coming soon. We're going to do probably within the next month or so. We're all finishing up our seasons here in New York, so I'll be reaching out to Andrew from Higher Elevations. Andrew and I are going to get together and we're going to shoot an amazing video showing this device with sticks, with screw-in steps, with climbing tree stands. I mean, like I said, guys, this is kind of, I designed this as a mobile hunting safety system, you know. It'll go with you. It stays on your person at all times. When you're ready to get up the tree, you just would put that on ahead of time, girth hitch the tree, get it up high, and just advance it up. If you guys one stick, you already know what I'm talking about. That's kind of the practice that you guys do. As you one stick up, you constantly advance the system up. All right, same difference. So that's about it in a nutshell. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me on YouTube or on my Facebook forum. I'll answer all your questions. Like I said, this is going to be going out on the website pretty soon. It'll be available. I am limited right now. I got plenty of ropes. I'm just limited on these right now. I have more coming in. Right now I have actually 10 of these in red. This is the only one I do have in black. And but soon I'll have I'll have about 50 or 60 of them ordered, along with the ropes that I already have. So they'll be ready to ship out to the door to you. This is the Firetech. All right, this is 7.5 mil. Okay, and this is actually the system that was designed for the firefighters. All right, so this is in red. Same thing, F4. The only difference is I just put I tied a knot in the end of that all my ropes will come with a 5-inch stitched eye right from the factory. All right, so that's about it, guys. Like I said, once again, keep an eye out on the website. It should be going off any day now, and that's it. Hopefully you guys, you're excited to get this as I am to bring it to you. I said I really saw a need for this with a number of guys getting hurt this year, and I said I got to come up with a way to remedy this, man, because you know, we're all hunters. We want to get out there safe. We want to get back home to our families, and you know, anything, even just you split your knee open. It's a pain. It's going to hamstring you for a day or a week or whatever. You know, it's just things we don't want to happen as we're hunting. So once again, guys, I appreciate everything. Thanks for all the support at New York Saddle Hunter. We really appreciate it, and hope you all had a great holiday, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.